So I've opened up NPC Div Pres, which is in our Integrating 3 folder, and I've saved it with a 3 and a dash in front. And we are going to export this presentation to Handouts, and the handouts are going to be Word documents. So we're going to go to File and Export, and we're going to choose Create Handouts, and then we're going to click on Create Handouts again. There are several different layouts that you can pick from, and you can see that some of them have multiple slides, some of them have a slide with lines below it. There's also just an outline with text, and we're going to pick the second option, which has got the slides on the left and lines on the right. Then at the bottom, you have two options. You can select Paste, which creates the handouts, and there's no link to PowerPoint whatsoever. So if the presentation changes, the handouts will not change. And the second option is Paste Link. And that actually connects the handouts to the presentation. So if you change the presentation, that will automatically get picked up in your handouts. And you'll choose Paste Link if you always need the presentation handouts to be accurate. And in most cases, you are going to want them to be accurate. So we are going to choose Paste Link, and we're going to click OK. Now you'll see Microsoft Word start blinking at you, so you're going to click on that. And what it's trying to do is bring those slides in. And sometimes this does take a little while because it's actually linking each slide to the original presentation. So if you think your original presentation may change, I would definitely choose the linking option. If the presentation is not going to change, if it's set in stone, then I would probably just choose the paste option. And it looks like our slides are coming through. And there should be 6 of them. So once you see 6 slides, then you can go ahead and save this. And I am going to point out right now, for semester cost, we're seeing values of tuition $750, books $350, and supplies $250. We are going to be changing that in PowerPoint, and then we'll see that change reflected here. So I'm going to go ahead and save this, and I'm going to navigate to our Integrating 3 folder, and I'm going to call this thing 3-NPC Div Pres Handout. And I'm going to click on Save. And once you see that it's saved, you can go ahead and close. I'm just going to do a File and Close to keep Word open. And then I'm going to go back over into PowerPoint because we're going to go to slide 3 and change the values. So the tuition is going to go up to $850. And the books are going to go up to $450, and supplies are going to change to $300. And now I'm going to save this. And because I chose Paste Link, I can go back into Word. I can open up that handout. And it's going to come back and tell me that there are links, and I'm going to say yes so that they update. And then when I scroll down, you can see that those new values were indeed picked up. So I'm going to save this and close it. And then I'm also going to save my PowerPoint presentation and close that as well.